Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download DaVinci Resolve for free. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop, type in DaVinci Resolve and click on the first result here from blackmagicdesign.com, and then from here scroll down a little bit and then click on DaVinci Resolve free download now. And now you want to choose your operating system. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows, and now you want to fill out your details here and then click on register and download. So I'm going to quickly fill out all this stuff. Alright, I filled out all this form, so I'm going to click on register and download. Then it says thanks, if your download does not automatically start up shortly, please use the following link. So I'm going to click on, well, there it is there, it's downloading now. So it's 2 GB in size, so be mindful of that when you download this. It's going to take up 2 GB of your hard drive. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and come back to it and show you how to set it up. Alright, as you can see, it's downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and click into it. And now I want to extract these files. And now I click on extract all. Files will be extracted to this folder, to my downloads folder, but you can choose which folder you want it to extract to, but for this demonstration I'm going to keep it the same. So I'm going to click on extract now. Alright, so here it is here, the extracted folder. I'm going to click into it. Click on DaVinci Resolve Windows application. Alright, you'll come to this page. In order to install Resolve, you must install these components. Click on install. Give it a few moments. I'm going to pause this video, then come back once it's done. Alright, now you want to click on next. I accept the terms. You can have a read. Click on next. You can change the location, destination folder here. Install. Give this a few more moments to install. Alright, once that is done, click on finish. Alright, you must restart your computer, so click on yes. Alright, I'm back from restarting the PC, so I'm going to go ahead and open up DaVinci Resolve. Now you want to click on continue. Click on skip and start right now, or you can do a quick setup, but I'm just going to skip and start right now. Alright, so that's it guys, how to download DaVinci Resolve for free. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.